Hello everyone, my name is Christy Bettis and I'm bringing you greetings from Sophia P. Kingston Elementary Collaboratory here in Selma, Alabama. The Collaboratory is located in our library, and the hardware that we will be looking at today is the DREMEL 3D40 printer. This is a 3D machine, and right now what you're viewing is the machine making a vase, an orange vase that has about 2 more hours until completion. This machine has a touch screen. It has a built-in memory of items already set to build. You can also hook it to the internet. You can also connect a USB to it in order to add other hardware items to it. So it's one machine that I'm so excited about, and that I'm so amazed at so many other things that you can do with this machine. The only backhand that I didn't like about this machine was it sticks to the base so easily, and sometimes it's hard to get it off. But other than that, I think it's an awesome machine. I think it's very creative, and I think once the kids get back from the pandemic and we're full force in creating new things for our classroom and for the collaboratory, I think it'll be well worth the money spent. So check out the DREMEL 3D printer.